Hello, fellow artists. My name is Heather Kunka, and I will be your art teacher here at Flat Rock this year. Welcome to the 2020 school year. It's going to be an interesting year, but I'm going to introduce you to our virtual school. In virtual school, you will always be recorded. Please, when you enter virtual school, stay on mute and keep your video off until you've been invited. Remember that there's actually 3 teachers in Powhatan County to help you guys out. And we're doing each other's videos and sharing projects and all kinds of wonderful things for you guys this year. So you will see not just me, but you'll see Mrs. Webster and you'll see Miss Martin too from Pocahontas. We will be publishing our virtual school schedule on Fridays. So you'll know to look for us then. But remember that after every assignment, I would really appreciate it if you would photograph it and then send it through Schoology. Communication should be done that way. School hours will be listed somewhere in the packet. I'm not exactly sure how that's going to happen, but you'll know to look in the packet. All right? So I think it's going to be a wonderful school year. I'll really enjoy seeing you in our Google Meets. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.